Hi guys, this is the Excel tool to keep the system busy. What you have to do is click the button below this one. You have to enter the minutes, how many minutes you want, and this will keep the the system busy while you relax. To break down, hold the escape key. If you have any issues, please contact us at info@upskilltechnologies.com. Now let me show how this works. I click on this, I get this box. Remember, you have to give an input in minutes. So I enter 10 minutes, for example, and I click OK. And what it does is it does some activity to keep the system busy so that your status, your Jabber, Teams, or any other messaging tool you have is showing active. If you would like to stop it in between, hold the escape key like I'm doing now, and once I hold the escape key it kind of stops it. That's it. And this is how the tool works. So keep watching this website for more such downloads. Thank you.